Guys to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning a new trick how to hide or unhide your taskbar on Windows 11. So what you have to do is to click on your Windows icon and go ahead to open your settings. So once you are there at your settings, the next step to do is to locate taskbar from the home. For example, if you are using Windows 11, you locate taskbar from the home here. I'm going to be clicking on taskbar here. Then I'm going to scroll down to look for the taskbar behaviors. So I'm going to tap here and I'm going to expand this. And you can see they automatically hide the taskbar here. So you can go ahead to tick this box if you want to hide it. And you notice your taskbar is gone. So for example, if I go back home, I'll just have to scroll down to here to bring back my taskbar. So that is how it's automatically hide your taskbar. If you want your taskbar to be displayed right here, just go ahead to untick this box and you have it working. That is how to hide or unhide your taskbar in Windows 11. Thank you very much.